real quick, okay? I'm not going to be on here long, y'all. My son is under the weather, so I have to tend to him, y'all, before he go to bed. All right, y'all. Your girl is going to review this Kool-Aid soda, okay? This is the blue raspberry lemonade. This right here is my favorite Kool-Aid package that I always get. How's everybody day going? Throw that in the comments. Let me know how your day is going, okay? It smells just like the Kool-Aid packs, no lie. Cheers. Oh, if you ever had it, comment down below and let me know how it was. Okay. Excuse me. So far, this one is the strongest one. I would say that. I'm not really getting. Let me try it again first. Okay, y'all. I'm getting. I don't know what I'm getting. Okay. It's a light taste of both. Excuse me, I'm getting a little bit of the blue raspberry and I'm getting a little bit of the lemonade. I feel like it's very strong. I do like that. But I wish that it had more of that punching blue raspberry lemonade taste. Like how you know when you make the Kool-Aid, you got to do like 2 packs sometimes instead of 1. That's what it needed. I feel like they made a big batch and they probably should have added more than whatever packs that they added. In my opinion, it's okay. I would say on the scale from 1 to 10, I'd probably give it like a 7. It's not bad. It's something that you can drink, but I just wish it had more of a strong blue raspberry lemonade flavor. Like, that's my only con from it, but it is strong. So if you need to burp, it's good for that. But it's just not a strong taste to me. like how it would taste if you were to make Kool-Aid. Excuse me. But again, I'm not mad at it. Alright, y'all. That's it for today's video. Bye for now.